Yes. Now, Jim is going to be client. White, we're going to have to sell without the rest of the different. Go.
All right, fine. Bring. Close. That's great. Excellent. Limited time offer on everything. Lucky day. What is your name? I am Bill Buffett. That's your real name. Here. My family was built, by the way. No, but hello? Yeah. No, it's not okay. Sorry. Oh no, what's wrong? I'm sorry. We're having a limited okay, as I was saying, right now we are having our prices have never been lower. Never been lower. Louder, son! Our prices have never been lower! Listen to me, sir. The words I'm describing, Raj, is aggressive, hostile, and definitely difficult. I'm irate right now.
Mr. Butler, need the phone.
Why do you hope so? Who is it?
Hello, this is Michael Scott, regional manager.
This is William M. Butler.
Hello, Mr. Butler. How may we help you?
Your voice. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to buy $1 million.
Thank you very much, sir. I don't think you'll regret it.
There is one condition, Michael.
Yes.